Mr. Casey picked up his V8 280Z, dropped off his 350Z, real clean, and we're putting 370Z power seats in his 350Z. And so far the harness is plug and play. The seat frames require some modification because they're wider on the 350Z. So we're adding some extra material to the seat brackets to widen them and make it bolt in, and then he'll have, the car came with factory heated seats and power. Harness is all plugged right in and everything works, which is really cool. So you can update your 350Z with 370Z seats with some minor modifications.
Oh damn, I didn't know you were vlogging.
Oh, you hear me talking?
No, I didn't.
You're like in the zone. Nice. Cool.
Windows.
Pretty easy so far?
Hopefully, as long as they line up. But
yeah.
I tacked them and checked.
Right. Cool. Alright, so what's the final verdict? Is the driver's side we only had to wallow out one hole?
Yeah, two.
Two holes.
So a little bit and a little bit. And the dowel.
And cut the dowel out of the car, or remove it. I guess it's a threaded dowel, it unthreads?
No, I cut it.
Okay. And then on the passenger side, we had to...
It's already bolted in.
Ah. Yeah. Well, I filmed that earlier, add material. And so everything else is plug and play, huh?
Yeah, I transferred over the seatbelt buckles.
Mm-hmm.
It's this plug right here.
So 350Z seatbelt buckles.
Yeah, it looks like, I mean, they have little lock pins, and they all go, this one broke.
Yeah.
But they all go somewhere.
Cool.
Yeah, this is factory seatbelt buckle one.
Mm-hmm.
And the only thing that doesn't work is the airbag plug. The yellow one.
And it's just the connector's different.
Connector's different, but they're both 2-wire.
So this one we know has a side curtain or side impact airbag. Do the old seats have them?
Don't think so.
No, because they're so. But you're saying there's a leftover yellow connector?
Yes.
In the car.
It's in the car too.
Okay. Huh. But no airbag lights on?
No.
We'll just
it
leave
doesn't
it.
have a seatbelt buckle light.
Okay. Well, we'll just leave it alone. So, if you're doing this swap at home, you're on your own when it comes to the airbag. Don't take advice from us. I don't want the liability. It's do it yourself for a reason.
Yeah, for real. But no, this one will bolt right in. I already checked it. I just
cool.
sprayed everything with paint so it was open.
Yeah. Yeah, that looks a lot better in here. 370Z seats in here.
Yeah.
Very nice.
I'm very happy he has a removable steering wheel.
Yeah.
You can
It
get
makes
it
life
out,
10
but-
times easier.
Yeah.
Nice.